we going back to final device. We're going to complete it probably by the Q1 of 2025 and provided another safety trial. And by the end of 2025 Q3, I want to start a clinical trials.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive Newsroom. Joining me now is Eli Ben-Harouche. He is the CEO and co-founder of Zero Candida. And Eli, good to see you. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for having me here today. I'm much appreciated for your time. Everything is okay.
Yeah,
We're doing well. We're moving forward.
good. Excellent. Well, that's good to hear. Let's talk all about it because the company has most recently listed on the TSX Venture Exchange, getting on the market. So let's talk. Let's start there. Let's actually take a step back and tell everyone a little bit about the company itself.
All right. So Zero Candida is basically innovation and a startup with an enormous knowledge inside that device we're going to develop. It's AI device with a future for the next generation, the communication between the patient, the doctor, woman, and the patient. So we want not only treat with non-drug treatment in the Candida fungus, we also brought for the woman health a new generation between the communication or the new future of health for women. So Zero Candida established in 2022, and we provide since then research. We start with a small company. Now we have two laboratories, one in Europe and one in Israel. The one in Europe do this CE standard, and the one in Israel do the FDA standard with the cooperation with the FDA registration we did. So in the team we have inside microbiology, we have chemistry PhD, we have laboratories, we have our own equipment to grow the Candida in lab terms and kill it with the device day after day. We do it with 99.9999% successfully overnight. That's amazing non-drug treatment. Non-drug treatment is the new generation of treatment for human around the world.
Yeah, so just so people understand that this patented technology that you have, for people more familiar with the term, it basically is combating yeast infections in women, which is very common all over the world, as a matter of fact. And so that's really what this is, and using sort of the blue light instead of what's currently on, which is some sort of medical treatment, using some sort of topicals or things like that.
Yes, it is. Oh, first of all, the Candida fungus is 75% from all women population in the world have at least once of a life or two from that event of Candida. And trust me, Steve, there is no one-night treatment. There is no. The treatment today with the cream or pills or anything that provide the market, it's taking weeks, even months, to get rid of that fungus. And she come back. She come back again and again and again, and she attack again the area in the vagina. So we developed the blue light therapy with a very special pulse, and we go inside with our device, small device like a tampon, and we only kill the fungus. The all other probiotics that have inside the vagina that's very important for the woman, we won't touch it. So the Zero Candida device go directly for the fungus and kill it overnight, even less than night, 3 hours. So after it, she will feel 100% cure. She will feel that the fungus is gone. Then the device will remind her after 7 days to check again, and the device will do diagnose back to the vagina and do diagnose, and then the all data go directly from our device by CRM to her doctor. She didn't even know to call him. He will call her day after and say, "Hey, I saw the device, I saw the treatment, I got the report, and I analyze it and come back to you." So the doctor will talk directly with the device. That's the future.
Yeah. What stage are you at right now in development? I know that you mentioned you've had a number of studies which you have published already. So where are you as far as the next stage of where you want to go?
Well, at the moment, we finishing design the final product for the human trial. We are already finishing the preclinical animal safety, 100% safety device with the pilot with chip. This is the animal the FDA chose for us. We going back to final device. We're gonna complete it probably by the Q1 of 2025 and provided another safety trial. And by the end of 2025 Q3, I want to start a clinical trials. The clinical trials, human trials, is going to be 200 women around the world. It's going to be about 100 in Israel and the rest in USA. So we're going to provide to the FDA the much important group of women that we can cover with the Candida fungus.
Okay. And lastly, as I mentioned, you're now listed on the TSX Venture listing under the symbol ZCT. So obviously, this is a key moment for the company in getting into the capital markets.
Yes, it is. It's a celebration. We just announced it a week ago, and we start to trade in November 25. The share is about above $2 per share, and we're doing well. We have a lot of interest in this company from Canada, outside Canada, from Europe, Germany, and USA. My plan is to complete a double listing for the OTCQ in probably in the beginning of January 2025. So then we can provide to American investors to join our company. During these times, we're going to also announce to go to Frankfurt Exchange. It's going to be a listing much easier for the company. And then we complete the triple trade in the Canada TXV, OTCQ, and the Frankfurt Exchange. That's our plan.
Okay. Well, Eli, thank you so much. Important work you're doing. I read that by 2030, 158 million women will be affected by recurring yeast infection. So obviously, it's super important work that you are doing in a large market as well. So appreciate your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I want to say a final for Zero Candida. In the future, Zero Candida will not stop in Candida treatment. We're going to develop a new treatment, like you said, in 2030 is going to be 150 million. So we're going to bring more and more announcement for the world how we can treat better for women. It's a femtech technology, period, 100%. Thank you for that interview. Thank you.
Well said. Eli Ben-Harouche, the CEO and co-founder of Zero Candida.